Welcome, cooks, to the Recipe Vault. Today, we're going old school, right? We're bringing back the 70s. We're going to make a classic Orange Julius out of our handwritten recipe collection. Can it make an Orange Julius that we were used to as a kid, right? I haven't had one of these for years, so we're going to try both a dairy and a non-dairy version. So, welcome, cooks, to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. Okay, so we have our Vitamix here, and we're going to go ahead and put 3 ounces of frozen orange juice concentrate. Yummy, yummy. Mm-hmm. Is that an orange flavor?
Sure.
Is that going to give enough orange flavor? This doesn't make a huge batch. It makes like 1 serving, so if you want more, just make more. Half a cup of milk. I forgot my sugar. Half a cup of water. We need a 1/4 cup of sugar. Yay. 3/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla. Or thereabouts.
A couple of gloves.
So it says 6 ice cubes. Unfortunately, my very beautiful Whirlpool refrigerator chops
All ice.
So we're just going to put some in here. I'm going to put the lid on. The Vitamix. I got it on variable. How icy is an Orange Julius? Ooh.
I wonder if it should be more icy than that.
Do you think?
Go ahead. Maybe their ice cubes are bigger than ours.
Okay, time for some Orange Julius! Woo! It looks pretty good. Look at that. Mm-hmm. I wonder if it'll taste orangey because I put so much vanilla in there.
Mm.
Ooh, look at that.
Looks kind of frothy.
Does that look like an Orange Julius?
Oh, it's been like 40 years. I can't remember. What is an Orange Julius?
And we're going to take a little orange slice. Whoa, that's fancy, huh? Look at that!
Uh-huh.
Orange Julius. You want to try, Boo?
Sure.
My orange is awfully large, so I think you got to take it off to even try it. Okay, Boo, Orange Julius.
I feel like I should kind of like bite the lime or something.
Get the lime. It's an orange. Get the orange flavor going in your mouth.
Mm-hmm. Cheers. It's got orange, vanilla. It is kind of sweet. It's frothy.
Does it taste yummy?
I would drink this again and again and again.
Okay, let me make a non-dairy one. So it's time for an Orange Julius Amy style. That is non-dairy, right? So we have our orange juice concentrate. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. We have almond milk this time. I wonder if it's not going to be as creamy. Water. I need a 1/4 cup of sugar. I need a splash of
a single splash.
Vanilla. Whoa!
Hey!
Gonna put in a whole $30 bottle of vanilla.
That'd be an expensive Orange Julius.
Yeah, that would be an expensive one. And our chopped ice, courtesy of Whirlpool. I can technically go in there and get ice from the thing, but it's so hard to get the thing out. Forget it, right? Whoops! I went crazy with that. Yeah, that was Whirlpool because he wasn't happy. Put a little bit more ice in there. Woohoo! Looks amazing. So let's see what this tastes like. Okay, let's see what we got. I made mine like ice cream. Will it even pour? Will it pour? No.
You might just...
It's like icier because I don't have the milk. So it's a little icier because I don't have the milk and I put a little bit too much ice in it. That's what it looks like. It's starting to melt a little bit, so it's a little better. So let's see. Do I need to take the obligatory orange? That gets the palate ready for the orange flavor. The blast of orange. Wow, that's good. That is tasty. Mine's definitely not, brain freeze. Mine is definitely not like as creamy as yours. Not that I could taste his, but I could see it. It's a little icier, but boy, for a non-dairy beverage, that is tasty. So, Recipe Vault, you hooked us up today. Orange Julius, a classic from my childhood, right? I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It will be up on the website. Try it. I think you'll love it.